Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. A woman is like a tea bag. You can't tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. Freedom makes a huge requirement of every human being. With freedom comes responsibility. For the person who is unwilling to grow up, the person who does not want to carry his own weight, this is a frightening prospect. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. You'll be damned if you do, and damned if you don't. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. It is not fair to ask of others what you are not willing to do yourself. People grow through experience if they meet life honestly and courageously. This is how character is built. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. Probably the happiest period in life most frequently is in middle age, when the eager passions of youth are cooled, and the infirmities of age not yet begun, as we see that the shadows, which are at morning and evening so large, almost entirely disappear at midday. We are afraid to care too much, for fear that the other person does not care at all. Since you get more joy out of giving joy to others, you should put a good deal of thought into the happiness that you are able to give. Life must be lived and curiosity kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life. Sometimes I wonder if we shall ever grow up in our politics and say definite things which mean something, or whether we shall always go on using generalities to which everyone can subscribe and which mean very little. I believe that anyone can conquer fear by doing the things he fears to do, provided he keeps doing them until he gets a record of successful experience behind him. The battle for the individual rights of women is one of long standing, and none of us should countenance anything which undermines it. Justice cannot be for one side alone, but must be for both. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.